So yung katatapos nga lang ng malakas na ulan at rainy season na nga mga boss. Kaya naman pag ganito ng panahon ay masarap na humigop ng mainit na sabaw. Kaya naman magluluto tayo mga boss ng sinabawang manok at mas masarap ito dahil nilagyan natin ng sariwang gulay. At ito nga yung mga sangkap na nilagay natin mga boss.
Lately, I see clouds of sorrow in your eyes, some deep sadness you can never quite disguise. Now I'm scared to ask what it's leading to, but I'm afraid of not asking you. Is there something that you want to tell me? Is there something that I ought to know? Are we something that's still worth fighting for? Or should I simply let you go? Is there something I can do to reach you? Or is something more than history? I'll find some way to convince you to stay, if you just tell me honestly. Is there something left for you and me? You've got secrets you've been keeping for too long, and I'm going crazy, acting like there's nothing wrong. I can taste the truth every time we kiss, and I can't go on. At least not like this. Is there something that you want to tell me? Is there something that I ought to know? Are we something that's still worth fighting